In this video, you probably say that I am a vicious product fan, and I guess, yeah, I might be a fan. So let me show you some USB cables that I got from them, do one unboxing, talk about their specifications, test it both data transfer and charger speed, and at the end, you will know how much they are and where to find them, so stay tuned! So before we start, please send some love by subscribing to my YouTube channel, and if you have any content requests you might think of, feel free to comment down below. Also, this item has been purchased with my own money, and this is not sponsored. Everything in this video comes from my own expenses and for my own use. So as of this moment, you probably already know what Vicious is famous for, and that is for creating quality products that every consumer actually need, like this. And I don't want to keep you guys waiting, so let's proceed with our unboxing. must say I am a fan of the packaging. It screams excitement to me. Alright, so let's talk about these cables. If you happen to be interested on a specific USB cable, as usual, the description box has the timestamp for each item, so feel free to check it out. By the way, all of these cables are using power delivery technology for the charging, so at least you have an expectation. The first one we have here is the one that's named Fuel. And of all of this cable, this is the cheapest one. This cable is a Type-C to Type-C on both ends that is also available on 1 meter or 2 meter length, either 60 watt or 100 watt maximum power capacity with 3 different color ways. Of course, I went for the 2 meter 100 watt at 5 ampere configuration for this cable, and it is also worth to mention that this cable is designed for Quick Charge 3.0, so you can use this across different devices without losing its charging performance. Data transfer speed is at 480 Mbps, which means that this cable is a USB 2.0, not ideal for a main data cable, but at least it gets the job done. By the way, all of these cables are at the same data transfer rate, so at least you have another expectation. The colorway I went for is a black gray, and this is how it looks like. This design and color combination will probably your go-to choice for this cable. The material used is aluminum, thermoplastic elastomer or TPE, basically rubber, and high-density braided wire that protects the cable from damages. Moving on, the next cable we have is a tungsten gold. Sounds luxurious, right? This cable is a regular type of cable, which means that one end is USB Type A and the other is USB Type C. Unlike for the Capsule, the only choice you have here is the length, which means that you get to choose between 1 meter or 2 meter cable length. As usual, I still went for the 2 meter option. Also, I observe on different cables, they tend to lose on charging performance if ever that they have 2 different cable lengths, but this one is 66 watt at 6 ampere all the way for both different options. Data transfer rate is still the same at 480 Mbps. The material used are zinc alloy, nylon, and rubber cable flex as support, especially in heavy usage. It's always nice to have a deep black, thick and durable cable, or maybe a spare. Lastly, we have the zinc magnetic, which shows us back to Apple's MagSafe charger days. This is like the Capsule cable, but the other end has a magnetic attachment to your devices. You get to choose between black and green colorway, but you gotta stick with 1.5 meter and 100 watt at 5 ampere charging capacity. Also, like the first two cables, the data transfer rate is still the same at 480 Mbps. The colorway I went for is black for more professional looking setup, and this is how it looks like. The material used are aluminum alloy, nylon, and rubber cable flex as support to protect from bend stresses. So let's move on and give these cables a try. So the items that I'm going to use for this testing are my laptop, my Hikvision portable SSD, a USB hub, and my Xiaomi Redmi 9C, which is the only phone that I have which has the highest charging capacity at 18 watts. By the way, new vlog coming up for this, so something to be excited for. Alright, we're almost done, but let's not forget where to buy this and how much they are. As usual, I bought it on an e-commerce platform site called Shopee, and this is the exciting part. It's cheaper than Shopee Mall. The Ka-Fuel cable costs 269 pesos, while you can get it for only 155. The tungsten gold costs 338 pesos, but you can get it for only 199 pesos. And the zinc magnetic costs 439 pesos, but I only got it for 375 pesos. Again, this is not sponsored, I'm just someone who wanna share some hidden gems from Shopee. And that wraps up my video. Let me know your thoughts about this item in the comment section down below, and please do like this video if you find it very helpful. See you in the next one. Bye!